Rahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Aleeshy Noor here. I hope you are safe and healthy wherever you are. Friends, today my video topic is benefits of tomato for our skin, for our health. And you know very well that tomato is very beneficial fruit and easily available in our kitchens and homes. But friends, before I start my video, I wanna share with you something that friends, whenever I share my homemade recipes with you and you will get amazing result to use these, I always feel very proud and satisfied. Homemade remedies have many advantages as compared to ready-made products. The first advantage of homemade remedies are that they are easily available in our homes, and the second advantage is this is an excellent way to avoid the chemicals found in most commercial beauty products. The third advantage of homemade remedies is when we prepare our own beauty products, we prefer to use organic compounds. The fourth advantage is homemade beauty products are more effective than the commercial beauty product. Making homemade remedies requires a little material resources and you can find everything in your kitchen. And in the last, many of us use commercial beauty products daily, but we often ignore that what these products contain. So it is better to trust ourselves and prepare our own cosmetics. So friends, this is tomato, which is easily available in our kitchen. The rich red color of tomato is very beautiful and appealing. The skin is very shiny, and tomato is very beautiful and appealing and are loaded with a substance called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant, contain many health benefits including sun protection, improve heart health, bone health and blood pressure. Tomatoes can help remove stubborn dark spots as well as lighten the skin to give you brighter and more even skin tone. Tomatoes are large amount of antioxidant and vitamin C, E, so we can use tomatoes for face whitening as they act as a natural beauty and bleaching agent. Applying tomato on face and skin brighter and radiant while reducing pigmentation, dullness and dark spots. It is no surprise that this red and juicy treat is a part of many those dye beauty homemade recipes that are handed down. Tomatoes can be included in daily skincare as a form of juice. It is a great fit for all skin types and this red fruit is full of beauty benefits. Now I will tell you something that how it helps and the various ways to get the best result of use of its nutrient powerhouse. So tomatoes, so the number one benefit of it reduce oiliness on our skin, seal in moisturizer, remove dead skin, keep acne at bay, relieve skin irritation, skin brightening, youthful supply skin, promotes cell regeneration, diminish sign of aging, tighten pores, protect against sun damage, open pores problems, reduce the production of oil and combat excess greasiness. So friends, if you want to use tomato in a very simple way on your face, you need a rich tomato. Simply cut into 2 pieces. See? And rub it all over the face like this. All over the face, on your neck, on your dark spots. And don't forget to rub it on your whole face. And don't forget your neck. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it with cold water just because it helps reduce oiliness, doesn't apply that applying tomato will strip your skin of natural oils. It will work as a balancing moisturizer towards that natural glow, promotes skin cleansing and pH level. Tomatoes may contain and maintain your pH level on your skin and also trusted as a natural cure for acne. So friends, tomatoes are rich skin healthy nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene. So they help even out the skin and boost skin health for a radiant glow. Tomatoes stimulate the production of collagen, the protection and the protein which gives the skin its structure. You can use tomatoes on your face on daily basis. They will enhance the texture of your skin and improve skin elasticity, keeping skin soft and supple at every age. So these are the benefits of tomatoes, and I hope you like it and use it on your face, neck, hands and get amazing results. If you like my video, then share it with your friends and don't forget to give a thumbs up on my video. Inshallah, we will meet on our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.